Okay, so we are going out to the van because I got some new gadgets. There's Senji. Say hi, Senji. Say hello. Say hello. He's gonna stay right in there. We're gonna go out here because I bought some new little gadgets to put in the van, so I thought I'd take you with me. You can see things are all organized. I did a pretty good job of keeping things clean and organized on my last trip. And I've already been in and cleaned and straightened up for whatever next trip I take. So, and I have a bag of goodies to share. First, we're going to start with, I got a new fan. Got to bring a phone holder out here. I think I have one. I can find it. Hold on 1 minute. Okay. Ow, that hurts my back. So, I found a holder. So here's my new little fan. I got one of these. I'm not going to say where I ordered this stuff from because I haven't been too happy, and I've decided to stop buying stuff from this company, and I'm not getting sponsored, and I wouldn't want this company as a sponsor anyway, so I just got this online somewhere cheap, and it's very cheap. So this is supposed to be rechargeable. So, and of course, I need to charge it. There it is. You can hear that. It's working. That's not too bad for a little tiny fan. So this is little, so I can hook it on to just about anything. I can put it up here. I can put it right up here. Maybe, or maybe not. You can find a good home for it. But I can hang it up anywhere I want. Or I can set it on the table. Yeah. There. Or I can hold it. Oh, look, it has a little light. Oh, it goes higher. And it turns off. There. So I have my little fan. And I got more new lights. A bunch of my string lights went out. You can see there's none up there now. You can take them out. So I bought a new set of lights. String lights. I have to put batteries in these. Actually, I got these, they're stick-up lights, but I realized I already have a couple in here. So I think I'm going to save these for my house because I also need some extra backup lighting options for the house. Have to have one of these at all times. This is a life straw in case you're somewhere and you don't have good water and maybe there's a pond or something. You can filter it with this. I have another one of these, but it's pretty old, so I'm not sure how it's going to work. Sorry. You want to see me. So I don't know how well this, my old one will work, so I got another one just to make sure I have it. This is a solar lighter. So you put it together and the sun heats it up and it, you can start a fire with it. There's that. I got another hanging light here. That's pretty cool. It's supposed to be, it's supposed to hang up, but it came without the hook. Here's the cord. I'm not sure. The hook is, I think, missing. I got one of these to put up in my door. My window cover has a screen in it, and I'm gonna put this. I may not even need to cut it. I'm gonna put this up against there as an exhaust fan for when I'm cooking, because I like to do my cooking here. And maybe I don't want all the fans on, I just want to exhaust the steam and stuff out. I can use that. And another light. A lot of my lights have been wearing out. The battery compartment gets corroded or something. Oh, that's bright. I want to point it right at you, but that's a bright. You can turn it down a little bit. Flashes. Another little light, and it clips. I'm going to put this over here. Like that. There. I have a little light there. And this has its own little cord. Oh, I found it. It was in the bag. It did come with a little handle. There. Now it can hook up like that. I have little lights everywhere. Another little cord. Put those right there. I gotta get rid of all the packaging. Put these things in. I'm just going to put that right there. It can live right there for now. I'm going to put this here, so I remember to put it up, and I'm going to put this here. And this is going in my tool drawers. And this goes in my kitchen. If you've seen the kitchen area, it's over there. So I put the little solar lighter in the drawer there. But I'm gonna put this down where the dishes and stuff are. So this can go down in here. And there's my new water faucet that goes down to my 3-gallon water down there. So now I don't have to reach in there and try and get the water out. It was kind of too much for me to do with my chronic pain and stuff. I'm trying not to do as much reaching. So now all my water's handy, so I can get water out of the 2.5 gallon, which now is almost empty, and the 3-gallon in there. I think they both need to be refilled soon. So that is what's going on with Ruby the van. I'm going to put this back in the drawer where it goes. That's how my clothes go in. Like that. There.